How to install and register on DiDi app. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you'd like to do so, you may follow up these steps. So you can go ahead and download the DiDi Rider app from App Store or Google Play. So once you open up your Google Play app, if you're on Android, go to the search, head over to the search bar here and search for DiDi. And there you will be finding the writing app, this one right here. Now once you find it up, you can basically look out for the install option and install it on your device. And once it is installed, you may go ahead and open up the app. So go ahead and tap on open once it is installed and you can get started with the process. To start the registration, you can go ahead and enter up your mobile number, or you can use your Google account or even your Facebook account in order to do so. So just go ahead and select one of the method, and then you may go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions. Tap on agree and continue, and you will be taken to the next process from here. Now here you may just go ahead and provide in the required details here, enter up your select up your country code from here, from which country you belong. And once you do so, you can go ahead and enter up the phone number here and tap on this box right here and tap on next from your screen. And then you need to verify yourself, so enter up the verification code they will be sending into your SMS. And then once it is completed, here you go. Now you are currently in the app. You can go ahead and enter up your address here, and you can basically use the app. Now you can go ahead and look out for the menu and the different options available here, and that is it. So therefore, if you'd also like to install and register on the DiDi app, you may follow up this process. So I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.